Everyone knows that pomegranate is a super fruit, but no one seems to know how to peel this curious fruit without making a mess. My grandfather is going to show you the cleanest and best way to peel it. There are 4 simple steps. First, with a sharp knife, cut off the stem. If you use this method, you will cut out any of the seed so it will not be messy. Second, core a shallow hole at the stem. Third, gently score a shallow line across the pomegranate. Finally, put your thumbs in the core and wrap your fingers around it. Now pry apart the fruit and enjoy. Okay. And now my brother is going to show you how you eat a pomegranate. Bye! You need a big spoon or a small. And a paper towel.
Can you give him someplace so he can demonstrate?
Yeah.